Life in the wilderness, the culture and cuisine of the African Bushmen. The Bushmen, also known as the Sand People, traditionally inhabited the Kalahari Desert, spanning parts of Botswana, Namibia, South Africa, and Angola. This vast, arid landscape provided both challenges and opportunities for their way of life. In terms of food, the Bushmen were incredibly resourceful, relying on a diverse array of plants and animals found in their environment. Their diet typically consisted of wild game. The Bushmen were skilled hunters, using techniques such as tracking, stalking, and using poisoned arrows or spears to hunt animals like antelope, ostriches, and smaller game. They utilized every part of the animal, wasting nothing, and showing deep respect for the creatures they hunted. Gathered plants. In addition to hunting, the Bushmen were expert gatherers, collecting a variety of edible plants, fruits, nuts, and roots from the desert landscape. They had an intimate knowledge of the local flora, knowing which plants were safe to eat and which had medicinal properties. Tubers and roots. One of the primary sources of sustenance for the Bushmen was the tubers and roots of desert plants. These provided a reliable source of carbohydrates and nutrients, crucial for survival in such a harsh environment. Berries and fruits. Despite the arid conditions, the Kalahari Desert is home to several species of edible berries and fruits, which the Bushmen would gather when in season. These provided essential vitamins and minerals to supplement their diet. Insects. In times of scarcity, the Bushmen would also consume insects such as termites, beetles, and caterpillars, which provided a valuable source of protein. Certainly. Here are two more dietary components typically found in the Bushman's diet. Honey. The Bushmen were skilled honey hunters, harvesting honey from wild beehives hidden within the hollows of trees or rocky crevices. Honey provided them with a sweet and energy-rich treat, as well as medicinal benefits. Wild greens and vegetables. Despite the desert environment, the Bushmen were adept at finding edible greens and vegetables, including wild spinach, melons, and other leafy plants. These provided additional vitamins and minerals, complementing their diet and contributing to their overall health and well-being. The Bushmen's diet was not only diverse but also sustainable, as they lived in harmony with their environment, ensuring that they did not overexploit natural resources. Their knowledge of the land and its resources was passed down through generations, forming the cornerstone of their culture and way of life.